Hey students, welcome to SkillCortex AI. SkillCortex AI is back with another interesting video. In this video, let's learn about LinkedIn. But before that, I want to tell you the main reason to make this video. Our recent survey says that only 48% of people are including their LinkedIn handles and GitHub links in their resumes to see the candidate's credibility. Many of the people doesn't have a LinkedIn profile and many of the people doesn't even know about LinkedIn. Okay, so don't worry. In this video, I'll tell you about LinkedIn. And in the next video, I'll tell you how to build a proper LinkedIn profile. But before that, make sure you subscribe to SkillCortex AI and hit that bell icon for more interesting and useful videos like this. Now let's start the video. Now, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. In short ways, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. In LinkedIn, people will be posting all the stuff related to their professional life. Okay, users will be posting all the stuff related to their professional life. Okay, so they will be posting something like their skills, education, achievements, and all. So all the things that are related to their professional life will be posted in their LinkedIn handles. Okay, so to make it more clear, now let me compare LinkedIn with Instagram. So in Instagram, what kind of content that we post? So we post about our personal lifestyle, right? So in Instagram, we post about our personal lifestyle, right? So these personal lifestyle include about our photos, our memories, our moments, our get together. So all the information, okay, so all the events that take place in our personal life will be posted in our Instagram. But in LinkedIn, we will be posting all the content related to our professional life. Okay, so for example, if you had attended any event, like some alumni event, okay, so it comes under professional life, right? So these kind of content can be posted in our LinkedIn handles. So in simple way, LinkedIn will be used to showcase all the content related to our profession. Okay, like related to our professional life. But Instagram will be used to showcase about our personal lifestyle. So now let's know about the people who can use LinkedIn. Firstly, LinkedIn can be used by job seekers. People who are looking for some new job opportunities or for some career advancement can use LinkedIn to explore opportunities. Secondly, employed professionals can also use LinkedIn. So these employed professionals who want to increase their professional network can use LinkedIn. Now let me tell you some example. So our friends, our relatives, and our well-wishers comes under our personal network. Okay. But people who will be helpful for our professional life, okay, people who will be helpful for our career, people who will be helpful for our business, so these kind of people network, okay, this kind of relation with that kind of people comes under this professional network. Thirdly, LinkedIn can be used by students and graduates. Students and recent graduates can use LinkedIn to build their professional work or to explore some internship opportunities. Okay, so LinkedIn can be used to explore internship opportunities and to increase their professional network as the employed professionals do. The next one is entrepreneurs and business owners. So these entrepreneurs or business users can use LinkedIn to promote their business and to connect with the potential clients. Okay, so they will be showcasing about their business and they wanted to connect with some clients. So for this process, entrepreneurs and business owners can use LinkedIn. And the final one are recruiters and HR professionals. So LinkedIn can be used by recruiters and HR professionals to showcase their job openings. Okay, so there's a job opening in some company. So the HR can post about that job opening in their LinkedIn. Now, let's know what kind of content that we can post in LinkedIn. Firstly, we can post about our academic achievements like scholarships or events. Okay, or else you can also post about your ranks, like if you have got any good marks. Okay, or if you have stood first in your competitive exam, then you can mention about that. You can also mention about your internship experiences or some job experiences also. And you can post about some workshops or courses that you have done. So many people will be doing many courses, right? So some people will be doing some courses in many edtechs like SkillCortex AI, and they will be giving you some certificate, right? So about all these kind of certificates can be posted in your LinkedIn, and you can also express about your career goals and you can seek advice from professionals. Okay, so if you are stuck in your career, so you don't know what to do, then you can post a question in that in your LinkedIn handle and you can seek for advice from professionals to that question. So this is all for this video. In this video, we discussed about what is LinkedIn, who can use LinkedIn, and what kind of content that we can post in our LinkedIn handle. In the next video, let's know how to build a proper professional LinkedIn profile. So for more interesting and useful videos like this, subscribe to SkillCortex.